Hi, today in front of me Xiaomi Redmi PAD and I'll show you how to install iPhone keyboard on this device. So first let's open the Play Store application and then in the search bar we should enter green Apple keyboard. And now we should get this application. That's why tap to install and wait a couple of seconds while this application downloading and then installing on your device. Then tap to open the app and click to enable in settings. Now near green Apple keyboard, click once on the switcher and tap twice to OK. Then go back and click to switch input methods. Now we should switch our currently keyboard to the green Apple keyboard, then tap to OK. The process is finished now. And now, for example, let's use the Google search, for example, to see the new look of our keyboard, and we can see that this keyboard is so close to the iPhone 1 as all of these emojis. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.